Hi there. Welcome to another Islamic quiz episode. Today we will be quizzing on the life of the final messenger, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Let's begin. What was the greatest miracle of the Prophet, peace be upon him? The Quran is his greatest miracle. Where was the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, born? He was born in Mecca. Where did the Prophet, peace be upon him, father passed away? In the city of Medina. Who named the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, Muhammad? His grandfather, Abdul Muttalib. How old was Muhammad when his mother passed away, peace and blessings be upon him? He was 6 years old. Who took care of the Prophet, peace be upon him, after his mother died? His grandfather, Abdul Muttalib. Which clan was the Prophet, peace be upon him, from? Both Banu Hashim and Quraysh. What work did the Prophet, peace be upon him, do? He used to be a shepherd and also a merchant. Why did Khadijah marry Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him? Because he was trustworthy. How many children did the Prophet, peace be upon him, have with Khadijah? They had 6 children together, 4 girls and 2 boys. Thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe for more Islamic quiz and videos.